In this particular video, I'm going to just show the results of the clip operation. So what I've done here is I've added a variety of geographic features. We've got Marion County, that's this polygon here. We've got the Indianapolis city limits, so the incorporated Indianapolis in a blue, and then we've got the interstates there in orange. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a clip feature. We're going to do two examples of this. First off, using a clip feature focusing in on lines. So what we're going to do is we're going to clip, in this case, just the interstates, so the orange lines, just the interstates that are inside the Marion County polygon. Once again, a key characteristic of the clip feature is the inputs can be points, lines, or polygons, but as far as our clip feature, essentially the cookie cutter, it's always a polygon. In this case, the polygon is the Marion County boundary. So the result of that interstate clip Marion, we can see here in this blue. So what I did was I did a clip operation. I said to the GIS, I said, clip the interstates that are inside of the Marion County polygon. And so as I toggle off the other information, we can now see the interstates that are inside the Marion County polygon shown here in blue. I'm going to go ahead and I'll do the same thing, but this time I did a clip for just the interstates that are inside of the Indianapolis incorporated area. And so this would then represent the interstates that are inside the incorporated area of Indianapolis. Like I said, we also have points that can be an input feature. So what I'm going to do this time is going to do a simple analysis for point features that are inside of Indianapolis. And so here is a data set in which I'm given all of the list of schools as XY coordinates, but I want the ones that are just inside of the Indianapolis incorporated areas. And so if I do a clip, it would just be including only the ones that are included inside of the Indianapolis polygon. So then I click off the Indianapolis polygon, and thus these are the schools that are only located within the Indianapolis polygon. One of the characteristics of a clip feature that makes it unique or different, let's say, from the intersect and union operations is that the attributes of the inputs that are combined, so in this case the points that are the schools and the Indianapolis incorporated limits, they're not combined into a new table. If I go to the attribute table, and in this table there's no mention of the Indianapolis polygon in terms of its shape. That's what I mean in terms of the attributes aren't both carried over in the result of the clip operation. Now let's look at the opposite of a clip, and that's an erase. So erase, now we're going to use our same particular feature classes. So in this case we've got the Indianapolis polygon shown along with the interstates, the Indiana interstates. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to run a geoprocessing, which I do an erase, in which my inputs are the highways, and I want to erase from the highway layer. I want to create a new feature class that does not include or erases or removes the Indianapolis polygon, that is the Indianapolis incorporated area. So the result of that is this new feature class that when I remove the Indianapolis polygon, we now see the erase feature. So the interstates that are not inside of the Indianapolis incorporated limits are no longer included. So they've been erased and displayed in this new feature class over here in the contents pane. So once again, just similar to clips, we can do points, we can do lines, we can polygons as far as our inputs, but in this case our erase feature, it's always going to be a polygon. Now let's do one with the polygon feature. This time we have the Indianapolis incorporated area, and we're going to remove it from the rest of Marion County. So essentially what I'm going to do is my input feature is Marion County, and the erase feature is the Indianapolis polygon. So similarly, just like how we use the Indianapolis polygon to erase the interstates, this time we're going to essentially use the Indianapolis polygon to erase itself from the surrounding Marion County. And so after I do the erase geoprocessing tool, a new feature class is created here, and let's take a look at the result. And here we have Marion County not including or the erased portion of the Indianapolis incorporated area. That polygon has been removed via this erase tool.